Alright guys, so I am currently in the Kroger parking lot waiting to do some grocery shopping, but I thought I would, I guess start the vlog here. Yeah, we'll start it here on my iPhone. So David and I had our anatomy scan today. It went really, really well. Baby is looking so healthy. Let me see if I can, look, there's a baby. Anyways, I'll put some pictures here for you guys that have, my information blurred out. But basically the anatomy scan went really well and we are so excited because we are going to have a gender reveal party in a couple days. So like I said, I'm at Kroger. I'm going to pick up all of the food and stuff to get ready for that. And I figured this will just be a gender reveal vlog. Well, I don't know. We'll play it by ear. Maybe a prep vlog and not the actual reveal, because I feel like we got a lot of stuff to do to prep. So basically we're at Kroger. We have a list. It's on my phone, so I can't tell you about it. But the plan is we're going to do a pasta dinner with a charcuterie board spread and then desserts. And then the reveal will be in one of the desserts. And then David really wanted a confetti cannon thing. So I picked up those two for him. But that's going to be the plan. So on the agenda for now is going into Kroger, getting all of the stuff for that. And then, yeah, take you along with the rest of today. I have all day off, so I'll be able to do a lot of the baking and a lot of the prep for the charcuterie board. And we'll see what we can get into. So let's go into Kroger. And don't forget your reusable bags. PSA. All right, let's go. All right, so I'm back from the grocery store. I've unpacked everything just so I can show you guys kind of what the plan is for the party. So if we start over here, we are going to do various different types of pasta, and then we have some meatballs and some chicken. So I think David wanted to do like a chicken fettuccine alfredo as an option, a pasta with meat sauce, pasta without meat sauce, and then a gluten-free option for myself, my mom, and a couple other people. So a lot of different options of pasta there. So we got all that. And then also I'm going to do a charcuterie board. So that's what all of this stuff is. We have gluten-free crackers, regular bread, some fruits and veggies, some cheese. I'm really excited about this cheese. It's the brand 𝐇𝐞𝐥𝐥𝐸. Never heard of it, but this one's pepper jack and it's naturally lactose free. Super excited about that. And this one's seriously sharp cheddar. Seriously sharp cheddar. Also lactose free. Win-win, don't have to upset my stomach eating cheese for a charcuterie board. And then we have like dipping sauce, ranch, hummus, honey mustard, some other things. And then over here we have the drinks. So we have a couple like drink dispenser things, and we'll do pink lemonade in one, and then I'll put the sweet tea in another, and then the waters, like I got a case of water, it's over on the table, has like blue labels on it, so that'll be like the blue and the pink, and then sweet tea. And then the last thing over here, we got a few things for baking because I'm going to be baking all of the desserts. So next I need to put all this stuff away. So it needs to go in the fridge, freezer, and then the box stuff I'll put back in like my reusable bags. That way we have it for transport to the church. And then yeah, check back with you guys in a few after I do that, and we can start baking. I'll tell you the plan for that. All right, took a lunch break. Now I am back. The kitchen is cleaned up and ready to start baking. So I grabbed my recipe book. Today's plan is to make the sugar cookies. So we've got like just a basic cutout recipe. This is going to be gluten-free and dairy-free. All of our desserts are. So hopefully the goal would be today, make the sugar cookies, and then maybe like tomorrow I could frost them. And then the other thing I need to bake today is going to be the shells for the macarons, because that's going to be what our agenda reveal is. And then Ariana is going to come over tomorrow night and she will fill the like middle of them with the specific color. So that's the game plan. We are going to put you on a fun little time lapse, and let's start with the sugar cookies. All right, so the cookie dough is ready. It needs to go chill in the fridge for like 30 minutes. Yes, look, I made sugar-free. That's a lie. I made gluten-free, dairy-free sugar cookie dough. Cool. Oh, and I'll leave the recipes down below because they're not my recipes, but I'll leave them for you guys. Cool, so I have everything I need for the macarons. One thing that I want to show you that's really cool is this electric sifter. Basically it makes sifting flour a whole lot easier. Macarons, if you've never made them before, are very, very delicate. I've made them like 3 times. So we're fingers crossed that this is gonna work out, because it might not. But we're gonna hope for the best. And insert another time lapse now. Okay, now is my least favorite part of macarons. You have to take the egg white fluff and like beat the flour into it, and it's very terrible. And it's an arm workout, and I'm glad we're not working out today because this is my workout. I just had to pop on here and tell you how much it sucks, but it's worth it. Okay, I digress. All right, I'm doing so great at updating you guys on the prep for the party. Totally forgot to bring you along for any of yesterday. I'm doing good, my bad. So last night we blew up a ton of the balloons, which let me try to show you. I think my mom took some videos, which I'll try to insert as well, but we got all of these balloons like started to pump up. I bought pink, blue, white, and silver. And then we did like a balloon arch, and there's a ton of bags full of balloons right now that we're gonna be driving over to the church. And then I got these balloons too. They say, "Oh baby," and they're like full of confetti, which is really fun. But I wanted to show you guys pumping up 3 balloons. You're welcome. I bought this thing off of Amazon. It's amazing. If you host parties or anything, you need this. It's like an automatic pump and electric balloon pump, and it is life-saving. We blew up 150 balloons and put them like all together and tied them and everything in like 30 minutes. So that's incredible. So let me show you guys how this thing works. All right, it's gonna get pretty loud in here, so I'll have to like mute it or something, but basically it's already on and plugged in, and then it goes in this spot. All right, so we have 6 of those balloons, and then you can see behind me all of the balloon arch. And then down there is like the bag that has like all the different ones. We're gonna put these like on the door to like say welcome and just kind of wherever we want. So yeah, there's the balloons. And I think next thing I need to do, I'll show you the cookies that I frosted that I think in the last clip you saw me make, and then I just forgot to show you how I marble frosted them because I almost forgot to do that this morning. It was, yes. Anyways, yeah, so then I'll show you that, and then let's go back over to the kitchen, and we need to plate the charcuterie stuff that I cut last night and prepped at like 11 o'clock, so I definitely wasn't gonna get on camera for that, but yeah, let's do that. All right, so the cookies are drying. I did a marbled effect on them, so let me show you what they look like. Basically, what I did was dipped them in the royal icing, but I had pink and blue marbled effect into a bowl, kind of like sprinkled it around, and then just dipped each cookie individually, and I absolutely love how they turned out. And then I bought this tray at Hobby Lobby. I bought a bunch of them. They're actually going to be what we use for the charcuterie board next, but I figured I would put the sugar cookies on here and like make them look all cute, so that's what we're going to do now. I'll probably end up stacking them like once we get there tonight, but the frosting is still drying a little bit, but I think this plate looks super pretty. So I'm just gonna leave those out on the counter so they can dry a little bit longer because the frosting, a little bit of it is still tacky, but it's like noon 30 now, so by 6 o'clock it'll be good, and I'll stack a few to make it look cute. All right, so next project's gonna be the charcuterie board. We have all of the stuff here. We have 4 trays. Don't know if I'm gonna need all 4. We also have the, never made a charcuterie board before, so we're just kinda wing it, see what happens. All right, so first tray is done. I think this looks really good. Considering it's my first time doing a charcuterie board, I'm pretty impressed with this. So I have like 3 or 4 more to go, but I'm going to just jam out to some music and get these done. So I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. All right, all the trays are done and I wrapped them. Hopefully we'll be able to transport them because they're fragile, but we'll see.
Three, two,